Kaya siya nagpapakute. Yung mata niya! Dali. Kaya siya nagpapakute.
Lagyan mo nga ng lampin.
Ilagay mo sa dito.
Yummy. Yummy.
Ay, talaga naman.
Parang siya yung nakikipag-boxing.
Ay, cute talaga niya ni. Oo.
Like, there are like options. The one is here. No nice shoes or toothbrush in the bathroom.
Nauuhaw naman na ata. Hindi ko sa niya yung ginaganyan.
It may affect on his application and he could be deported if you find out that his marriage is stolen.
Ay, talaga. Kapugi-pugi naman yung baby na yun.
Magkahiwalay yung pinya yung SpongeBob.
Atay na, atay.
We've just been having trouble as a couple recently.
We'll have to conduct another
Ayun na naman.
assessment. If you find out that you're not married to the fraud. Your status here as a U.S. citizen will be affected. If proven guilty, you could face jail term and a fine of $250,000.